Crafting the perfect thesis statement for film analysis. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of film analysis. If you've ever wanted to discuss a film's meaning, significance, or technique, you're in the right place. One critical step in the process is developing a strong thesis statement. Let's understand how to craft the perfect one. Remember, your thesis statement will guide your entire analysis. A thesis statement is a one- or two-sentence declaration of your main point or argument. In the context of film analysis, it's your perspective on what the film is saying, how it's saying it, or why it's significant. Your entire analysis will revolve around proving and supporting this statement. For your film analysis, the thesis should be 1. Specific. Avoid being too broad. Instead of saying, "The film is good," you might say, "The film uses lighting and camera angles to convey a feeling of isolation." 2. Arguable. Your thesis should present an opinion or interpretation that others could disagree with. This means there's room for discussion. 3. Relevant. It should be related to something significant in the film, whether that's a theme, a character's development, or a particular filmmaking technique. 4. Clear. Your reader or listener should know exactly what you're going to discuss and what your stance is after reading or hearing your thesis statement. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you formulate your thesis. 1. Watch the film. Before you can analyze, you need to understand. Pay attention to details, make notes, and consider the filmmaker's intentions. 2. Identify a specific theme or element. Decide whether you want to focus on the narrative, character development, cinematography, sound, or other aspects of the film. 3. Formulate your opinion. This is where your individual perspective comes in. Ask yourself what you think the filmmaker is trying to convey with the chosen theme or element. 4. Refine it. Take your initial thought and distill it down to a clear, concise statement. Example: after watching a film about a character's journey in post-war Europe, your initial thought might be, "The character's journey shows how war affects individuals." You can refine this to, "Through the protagonist's tumultuous journey, the film starkly highlights the psychological scars left by war." Analyzing films is not just about understanding the plot or characters but diving into the deeper layers of storytelling and technique. A compelling thesis statement acts as a beacon, guiding you and your audience through your analysis. We hope this video empowers you to craft a thesis that's both strong and insightful. Happy analyzing!